Welcome to the 2019 ASCO Direct Highlights in Denver.
I think having ASCO Direct Highlights here in the greater Denver region is important, given that we're quite uniquely situated in the middle of the country.
I'm grateful for organizers to providing this event in Denver. It's very convenient, to give opportunity for local people to meet and get an update at the conference that I didn't go.
Going to ASCO annual meeting is always a massively overwhelming event. Things are coming at you fast and furious, and you may not have had the opportunity to kind of review the data, even if you were sitting live during the auditorium or watching it later, on the virtual meetings.
It's a place you can network, it's a place you can learn from others, it's a place you can present your case presentations to the various panel, and really kind of dive deep into the information you need to treat your patients.
Making sure that we're all well integrated from a networking standpoint, such that we know who our colleagues are, being able to meet them here at ASCO Direct Highlights, and to really work towards a nice collegial atmosphere, such that we're able to provide the best care for patients with GU malignancies moving forward.
So it's really important for the knowledge and for the way it's structured. I come here to learn how this new knowledge, because there's so many of them, will affect my practice so I can deliver the best care. And I think ASCO Direct Highlight address this question to the physicians.
And I think it's nice to see what's out there, who's out there, all the new data, and really network, meet the people that are doing the research.
For a busy practitioner, it's not very practical to go to the ASCO meeting every year, and this condenses the relevant new data, and it's perfect for us.
So to sieve out what is most practice changing, to sieve out what's most promising, and to really present it in a concise manner that actually works for your clinic in real-time setting.
I think we've had some great speakers come to this event and give the latest updates. Also gives us how clinically meaningful they are, so to translate them into patient care.
As an exhibitor, I attend the ASCO Direct Highlights really because of the opportunity to interact with healthcare providers and to provide updates on literally the latest and greatest, the most cutting edge in cancer care.
I think people really, really appreciate the fact that we can do it in Denver. This is our second year. We've had a great turnout, and hopefully we'll continue to build on this. It really gives us the essence of what was happening at the big conference in ASCO, and really, again, translating to what is meaningful from a patient standpoint.
Being able to kind of think through things, bounce ideas back and forth off our colleagues, and revisit the data and see how we might apply it in terms of patient care, I think is critically important for us in the region.
So thank you so much for providing us this wonderful service.
I would absolutely recommend this session for a lot of oncologists, especially the ones who couldn't make it to ASCO.